Okay, this is how you would operate the JUKI LK1900 machine. This is very similar to the new model, the 1900A and the AN. Turn the power on. Choose your pattern and press the ready button. The machine is ready to sew. Okay, you change the pattern with the ready button. This is the smaller box and cross pattern that's using the same clamp. Okay, now we're going to show you how to change the clamp to the larger pattern. With a screwdriver, remove the two screws. And then change the pattern to the appropriate number for that clamp. To confirm that you have the right pattern, step on the pedal slightly to make the clamp come down, and then press the plus key. And you'll see that the clamp is jogging around. At that point, you can remove your foot off the pedal, and you could jog it around by pressing the plus key, and make sure that the needle hole bushing is clear all the way around. And that's how you can confirm that you have the right pattern. Once you're complete with that, you can press the reset button, and the machine will home back up and get ready to sew.